Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick walkthrough of the Rposio Handy app for iOS and Android. You'll want to start by going to the iOS store or the Google Play Store and search Rposio. You'll find the app there. When you get to the home screen, you can tap on those little gears at the bottom and then enter the URL for your stored database. Save that, enter your login info, the same login info that you would use in the cloud to get in. It's going to ask you to choose which store, so if you have multiple stores, choose one of those. And then it's initially going to sync and download all of your items so that they're all saved locally, so it's much faster. Once your items have synced, it'll take you right to the home screen. If we go into the items section, we have quick price change and item maintenance. Let's go over to quick price change. Now here you can scan an item or type in the barcode. I'm going to scan it with my camera on my phone. Pulls it up and I can quickly change the price or the cost. Hit update and that's it. Now if we head over to item maintenance, similar thing. We're going to search for our product. Scan it. And now here we can add or update brand, size, department, tax, supplier info, reorder number, etc. You can also scroll down there and you'll see you can enter the price or cost if you want to change the price or cost here. If the item you're searching for isn't in the system, you can add it here too. Save it and you're all good to go. If we head over to the inventory section, if you participate in our advanced inventory, then you'll be greeted by 5 different docks you can start right from your handy device. For an order dock, choose the vendor and then just scan the items you want to place in your order. Type in an order quantity. You can choose to do it by case or by unit. Save it. Move on to your next item. And all of that is available immediately in the cloud for you to edit it and then post it to inventory when you're ready. Adjustment docks, similarly. Pull it up, scan your item, make your adjustment. Save it. And the adjustment dock is ready and waiting for you in the cloud to post when you're ready. You can do physical counts. If you do a physical count, scan your item, type in your quantity, and it'll immediately update your inventory to reflect the physical count. You can also do transfers if you have multiple stores, so you just select your destination store. Again, choose your item, say how many you're going to transfer. Save that, and again, it's ready immediately in the cloud for you to edit and post when you're ready. We head on over to the reporting section. We've got a sales summary and our retail transactions. If we head into the sales summary, we can pull up a day or a range of days and see a summary of the sales for that day. And then we can head over to the transactions. Again, let's choose which days we want to look at. We'll see our list of all the transactions, find what we want, tap on it, and see the details. Thanks for watching this walkthrough. For more information, visit us at www.insightrs.com or email support@insightrs.com.